I got another unboxing video for you, and it's the very first unboxing video for November, and it is Pink Parcel. So this is how it arrives. I haven't opened it up yet. That's what it looks like there. Whoop, it's upside down. And let's open it here. Woo! Oh, typical me, typical. It's supposed to come off in one sweep, but no. So this is the November Pink Parcel. I've got some leaflets there. So that's what it looks like. If you're new to Pink Parcel, then I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it is. But if you've seen it all before and you'd rather just skip through to seeing the actual contents of this month's box, then I will add a timestamp down below and I'll pin it in the comments. So check out that so that you're free to skip forward. So Pink Parcel is a monthly beauty subscription box, but with a bit of a difference. It's a period box. So the sole purpose of the box is for your monthly sanitary protection, and you get a little treat box alongside of it. Those are your added bonuses for this box, but it's those items that makes us subscribe, in all honesty, and it's those items that we enjoy having a look each month to see what we get. So this box costs £12.99 and you can cancel any time. You can choose what sanitary protection you want online. You can choose a mixture of pads and tampons, or solely pads or solely tampons. You can also choose the brand, and you can choose the date which you'd like the box to be sent out to you. So generally the box will be sent out a couple of days before your period is due, and you can change that up as many times as you want on the website to keep it more personalised, individualised for you. So inside the box you saw that there were some leaflets. You get a Pink Parcel post, which is a little booklet outlining all the beauty products inside this box. It tells you a little bit about them and the price as well, and I like to top them all up so that I can give you an overall cost value then of what this box is worth. So what's this? It's a Bettybox little leaflet. Oh, there's a code there. So Bettybox is the sister company to Pink Parcel, but it's aimed at teen girls. So it's very similar concept, exactly the same concept, but it's all more bright and funky, and the beauty products are more tailored for the younger girl then. It says one for you and one for her. So to get your first box for £7.99, join in with a friend and use code FIRSTBetty, and the two of you would get your first Betty box for £7.99. I will link that down below in the description, and links to this Pink Parcel. I do have a refer a friend code for £3 off your first box. I think it's for so many people that sign up, I get £5 voucher off the Pink Parcel shop to buy items. Now I haven't done it. To be honest, I haven't used it, but the voucher code is there for you. So if you want to sign up, you're welcome to use my code to get £3 off, but if not, that's fine. I will link it all down below, so click on the show more, that and bring up the description, and all links and everything and codes and stuff will be down there. So let's get into the box. So this is the 4-litre box, and in here contains, oh, I forgot what I went for. I swapped things up this month, sorry, bit of random sort of thinking going on there. I opted for pads and tampons this time. Normally I go for pads, that's why I'm a little bit shocked. So I've got a selection of tampons here. So how many have I got? So I've got 6 tampons and 6 pads in there. Then in my nighttime box, I've got 5 extra large pads. Then we always get a little pouch like this, which I think is so cute, and these are different. We had a different one last month and we got a different one this month, and this is self-love and this is for now. So a handy little pouch to pop in your handbag. But in here I've got a mix of 4 tampons in there and 5 panty liners. And then the exciting part is the treat box. So, and this is for, it says for you, and I'll give you a quick look first. Not sure how much you can see, so I'll put this down to the side of me and I'll grab an item, show you, and refer back to this booklet. So what edition is this? This is Welcome to your After Dark edition. We're treating you to desk-to-date makeup plus skincare game changers to help you prep for the party season like a pro. This month's creation features a total of 7 products, 3 of which are full size. And then it goes on to tell me what is in the box, which I don't want to know. And it says, for a sneak peek for December, it says, don't miss December's Pink Parcel for an exclusive gifting experience for you and a friend, featuring a full-size, one-of-a-kind lip shade from Lord & Berry. Ooh, okay, so it doesn't give you a picture, it just tells you. And then it just goes on to the items in this box. This item is a, ooh, what's this? Whipped polishing cleansing cream with truffle extract. Ooh, made in Italy and 30ml. That's what that looks like there. Ooh, it's cruelty free. I know it's a cleanser, but I just wanted to sniff it, and oh, it smells nice. It feels really nice and creamy, so The recommended retail price for 150ml is £30. This is a 30ml. So it says apply to skin, massage and remove with warm water and a face cloth. The creamy cleanser features luxurious truffle extract and almond oil, making it perfect for winter when the cold weather can dry skin out. It removes makeup and even waterproof mascara too. So now that's quite nice. Lots and lots of cleansers in our subscription boxes lately, but they're nice because they're quite small sizes, you know, they're not going to last forever, so it is nice that I've got an ever-ending supply of different ones, and that does feel quite nice on my skin. It feels more like a moisturiser in all honesty, but no, I can't wait to try that. So no, quite a nice product and something new. So the next item is a Dr. Stewart's Extraordinarily Good Teas Skin Purify. So this is a tea bag. And what's it say here? For a pack of 15 of these, it'll cost you £2.79. Boost your beauty from within with this blend that includes red clover, nettle, dandelion and lemon to aid the body's natural elimination process and chamomile to soothe inflammation. The tasty tea has a high essential oil content and is naturally caffeine free. So now I love herbal teas and fruit teas, so I can't wait to try that. Oh, we got a brush. What is this? Oh, I love the packaging. Loella Fab Brow Brook 109. Oh wow, oh that is really pretty. Just loving the packaging. So that looks like there. So haven't heard of this brand before, not sure if you can see there, but I love receiving brushes, absolutely love it. Oh, I just realised I got my hairband. I should stop doing that because it's naughty. You're not supposed to put it around your wrist, are you? Because you're again left with flipping marks. Never mind. But oh, I love that. That is quite thick. Can you see there? That is quite thick. So for me personally, I wouldn't use that as a for my eyebrows, but I like to keep my eyebrows as natural looking as possible, so I tend to go for a finer brush. But I think that'd be quite nice actually for an eyeliner under or over, so I quite like that. So what's it say here? So the recommended retail price for this is £4.99, and it says a statement brow can change the look of your whole face. Use the angled brow brush with your favourite cream or powder products to fill and define your brows. Super soft bristles and an angled tip will help you achieve all your beauty goals. So no, quite like that as well. So our fourth item is it's a face mask, limited edition Skin Republic, and it's a Bright and Hydrate Prep and Glow face mask. It's a sheet mask. Now we've had this brand before. I'm not sure if we've had it in Pink Parcel or not. So what's it say here? Reveal a radiant selfie ready glow in minutes, helps makeup go on smoother and last longer. Hyaluronic acid supercharged sheet mask for intensive hydration. Oh, lovely. That sounds really, really nice. And the recommended retail price is £5.49. Apply the lace spun sheet mask before a night out and leave for 20 minutes. It's been designed to prep skin before makeup application for a smooth finish that lasts longer. Made with hyaluronic acid, collagen and pomegranate to hydrate, plump and brighten. That sounds really, really lovely. So I'll definitely be doing that. I'm going out on Saturday, so I'll give it a go then. Right, next item. We've had this loads of times, and yeah, I like the brand, but I just don't like this product. It's only because it's not suitable for my skin, but it's Balance Me Congested Skin Serum, 99% natural. So that's what that looks like there. So this is, what is this? This is a 7ml. It's designed to diminish blemishes and calm inflammation without causing dryness or irritation. So I'm going to give that to my daughter. She's going to be laden with loads of beauty products, and she's only 12. But hopefully it will help her because she's just getting into skincare very, very slowly. But, sorry, I got a Velux window above me and I've just seen like a propeller plane just go over. Ignore me. So yeah, so I might give it to my daughter. I'll see, unless she's got more that I've given her before. Never mind. So anyway, so this is a 7ml. For the full size 15ml, it'll cost you £16. So this is worth £8. So massage into dry skin after cleansing, before applying your moisturiser in the morning and at night. Eucalyptus and lavender oil, spruce snot, Kenuka oil diminishes blemishes, smooth inflammation and balance oiliness without over drying. So yeah, not a product for me, unfortunately. Never mind. Right, next item. Wow, what's this? Massive eyeliner. Look how big that is. It's the size of my head. So this is a Technic eyeliner in black. Eyeliner pencil with smudger and sharpener. Oh wow. See, I'll tell you what, I'll take the wrapper off because it reflects, doesn't it? So that looks like this. So it's a sharpener one end and a smudger on the other. Oh, it seems quite nice. It's a black eyeliner. Can't really tell what it's like really on your hand. You have to put it on your lids to really get an idea for it. So this is obviously a full-size item and the recommended retail price is £1.99. Line and smudge your way to a sexy smolder with this 3-in-1 essential that features a creamy black liner, a sharpener and a mini smudge brush. It's time to throw out that stubby eye pencil that's been hanging around in the bottom of your makeup bag gathering dust. Well, that does not apply to me or anybody else that gets subscription boxes because we've probably got enough to open a shop with. In all honesty, we get a load of black eyeliners and in all fairness, not all of them are great. So I do enjoy getting them, I do enjoy trying them, but a lot of them I give away. I like one with good staying power, ones that just don't disappear on your lids, so I will give it a go, but we'll see. So we've got one item left and it should be the sweet treat. Yes it is, and we've had this before, we've had this a few times I think, and I love it. It is nice. It's a chocolate and it's Montezuma's milk chocolate minted with crunchy peppermint. Oh, it's gorgeous. Really, really nice chocolate. Nice and thick as well, lovely, lovely. This is a 30g and a 100g bar would cost you £2.59. Keep this pocket-sized chocolate bar in hand for when the cravings come calling. Peruvian high cocoa milk chocolate perfectly complements the crunchy peppermint chunks in this indulgent treat that we've chosen as this month's premenstrual pick-me-up. So those are all the items, so I'll just gather them all up. As always, 7 items in the box, and we've got an eyeliner, we've got a face mask, we've got an eyebrow brush, we've got a face cleanser and we've got a face serum, and then we've got a chocolate and we've got a tea bag as well. So an improvement on last month's box, definitely. I think they were going through a few issues last month, and the month before we were able to get a discount off this month as an apology for having our box sent out to us really late last month. So I think, you know, that is great. That's good customer service, and you know, it's thinking of us and making sure that we don't get annoyed and unsubscribe. But yeah, no, definitely a much better box this month. I'm looking forward to trying the chocolate as always. But no, the brush and the mask I think really stands out for me. I'll be giving that serum away. Cleanser, another good one as well. It feels really nice. So yeah, no, quite a nice box. Definitely an improvement for last month. Oh, and it comes to around £39-ish, £40, something like that. So considering you're paying £12.99 just for these contents alone, yeah, it's way above the cost of the actual box, isn't it? So there you go. I'd love to know your thoughts. What did you think of this month's box? Do you think it was a good one? Do you think it was better than last month's? And is it a box that you've unsubscribed because you just had enough and all that stuff? So I'd love to know your thoughts about this box. So if you enjoyed watching, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.